Guys, so bibili tayo ng gasol. So ayan guys, so malayo ang lakad lang tayo guys. So ayan, hila-hila ko guys. Ayan, diba? So ayan guys, so tanghalin sobrang init dito guys, pero yung hangin guys, malamig naman guys yung hangin dito. So ayan, hila-hila ko guys yung ayan guys, hila-hila natin yung gasol natin. So ang mahal pa rin guys, walang 1,000 pa rin ang gasol natin ngayon. So that's why I love it, diba guys? So ayan guys, papunta na sa sa kalsada guys. So ayan guys, so ayan, so guys, ayan ay sus, yatay, diba guys, tanghalin tapat guys. So naubusan kami ng gasol guys, that's why I love it. Very married guys. So ayan guys, yung nilalakbay ko guys. Nasikip din naman kasi ng daanan dito guys, sobra guys, napakasikip, diba? Kaya ayan, nasikip. So may stroller naman ako guys. So ayan, diba love it, guys. Ayan guys, ayan guys, hala, patay tayo nito. Ako guys, nasira. Ako guys, teka lang guys.